Microsoft just released their official guidelines for optimizing content so that you can be included in AI search answers. Wow. This is what we have all been waiting for. Some of their advice will actually surprise you. Microsoft even confirmed that Schema Markup does in fact help AI systems understand your content. Let's dive straight in. Here's the post from Krishana Madhavan. He's the principal PM on the Microsoft Bing team. Bing is one of the main search grounding sources for ChatGPT and other AI search engines like CoPilot, so we can absolutely trust what he has to say. So, what does Microsoft say about what content will stand out in AI? Well, in traditional search, visibility meant appearing in a ranked list of lists. In AI search, ranking still happens, but it's all about ensuring your content is selected and given a mention in the final answer. AI assistants do not read a page top to bottom like humans would. LLMs actually break down your content and parse it into smaller structured pieces that can be evaluated for authority and relevance. These are the pieces that are then assembled into the answers. And you guessed it. Page titles, descriptions, and H1 tags are still the most important signals for AI to interpret the purpose of your content. This is nothing new if you're already doing great SEO, but let's talk through it. Titles should summarize what the content delivers. Descriptions should help AI understand the context, and H1 tags should closely reflect the page title and set clear expectations about the content that follows. Microsoft directly stated that alignment between titles, descriptions, and H1 tags will improve discoverability and confidence signals for AI systems. H2 and 3 tags, well, they're being used like breakpoints, indicating when a new section starts. Write these using natural language that aligns with user search intent. Instead of frequently asked questions, try why LLM Refs is the best AI SEO tool. Microsoft also acknowledges that clean Q&A formats mirroring the way people search are fantastic for visibility because LLMs will often copy these verbatim, word for word, straight into generated responses. And bullet lists or numbered steps can be especially effective for how-to queries and feature comparisons. Now, do not hide important text behind tabs or in hidden menus. These are not in the initial server HTML, and AI crawlers do not render JavaScript or click buttons, so it will just skip them. Also, do not put important information in PDFs or images. If it's not on the page's HTML, LLMs cannot read it. But AI optimization is not just about how you structure your content on the page. Each individual word counts too. Firstly, let's avoid long walls of text. This is way harder for AI to extract content into usable chunks. You also need to be avoiding vague language. Saying something like next gen or cutting edge without context leaves AI unsure how to classify it. And you should be adding measurable facts to all of your statements where possible. Microsoft's example here is instead of saying quiet dishwasher, say 42 decibel dishwasher designed for open concept kitchens. And what writing mistakes will reduce your AI search visibility? Well, firstly, overloading sentences. But did you know emojis and symbols may be preventing you getting mentioned in AI search? Microsoft actually says that these will distract LLMs from the true content. And Microsoft explicitly says to be careful with EM dashes. For me, it's a massive turnoff when I see these in content. Turns out it's a turnoff for AI search crawlers too. And this gets us onto structured data markup schemas. Microsoft included this as one of their core practices for AI search visibility and acknowledged that it actually does help AI systems with understanding your content. Visibility in AI search is not about luck. I loved this statement in the closing paragraph of this blog post. If you're serious about increasing your visibility in AI search engines, we're tracking exactly what's working and what's not. Come and say hi. Speak soon.